Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing how to create a winter wellness routine. Something that I've really been working on since fall hit is to not be lazy. It is so easy to take the easy way, to take the lazy way out, to do skip this or skip that, but it's not what we're called to do. So taking care of ourselves, and for me personally, taking care of our house and putting my family first before my needs is what God calls me to do. And so not being lazy is just the root of it all. I just want to sit down and relax when I should be doing this or that, or I want to skip my skincare routine, or I want to skip doing the dishes the night before so I don't have them in the morning because I don't feel like doing it. So anyways, with all that being said, I'm trying not to be lazy because I want to be, especially in the winter when it's dark out early and it's dark in the morning. Getting up early has been hard. So I've been working on my disciplines and creating a winter wellness routine and really focusing on that. So I'm going to share a few things. I have 5 things on how to create a winter wellness routine. There could be 20 things. This is just 5 out of many. It's personalized to you. So make sure you take this and say, like, what am I doing well? What do I need to work on? How can I create a wellness routine for myself? This is kind of just to inspire you to do that. But before we start with those, I wanted to remind you to check out my Etsy shop. I have a bunch of aromatherapy guides, digital guides, a digital planner and journal to help you with your aromatherapy journal, how to use essential oils seasonally, how to use them with your cycle, and just so many things. So make sure you check that out. I'll link it down below. So tip number 1 is start with hydration. This is multifaceted because we need to be drinking our water, but also hydration in our skin too. My skin is so dry, so make sure you get hand soap that is not drying out your skin, body soap that's not drying out your skin, not taking the longest, hottest showers. That's gonna dry out your skin as well. So just be mindful of those things. Drink your water. I have a new favorite hydration or electrolyte drink mix. It is so good. It's not salty like the LMNT ones are, and it's clean ingredients. So I will link it here. Here is the brand. They have a bunch of flavors. I really, really love them. Prioritize skincare is number 2, and this kind of goes with the hydration thing. So add extra hydrating moisturizers, cleansers, whatever you need, lotions with ceramides to your skincare routine. Take care of yourself in the winter. Take a relaxing bath soak. Make your own little face serum to add in hydration. I love using jojoba oil or rosehip oil, and then you can mix in oils like frankincense or lavender or blue tansy or whatever your skin needs. I have a whole video on essential oils and skincare, but either just bump your hydration up with the products you're currently using or make something and add it into your skincare routine. Number 3 is staying active. This one is my January goals are full of my exercise and workout goals. So it's just tough because it's harder to get outside in the winter. You have to bundle up, especially if you have kids. It's so much harder. But it's worth it. You have to stay disciplined in that area and just do it because it's worth it. Halfway through our walk, we are all just like chatty and happy, and our family nighttime walks have been something we've been doing, and it's been fun. Whatever works for you. Is it jumping on the trampoline, going for walks, going to Pilates, working out at home, just stretching? Stay active. Number 4 is supporting immune system. This one is just so also dynamic as well. There's so many things that we need to be doing. Staying active, minimizing sugar, taking your multivitamin, making sure you're eating whole, real foods throughout the winter, and eating seasonally as well. There's so many things, but supplements like vitamin D or elderberry, those are some of the things that we're doing. Zinc, vitamin C are also great ones. I really missed out. I think it's I probably still could do it, but I wanted to make the fire cider. I keep forgetting to get the garlic that I need. I have everything else, but making something like that, maybe I'll put the recipe to one here, but basically fermented garlic and herbs is a really great option. And then diffusing immune supporting oils. So Immunity Boost by Revive. This is the Thieves dupe, but so many essential oils are powerful in combating germs. And so diffusing them or rolling them on topically, adding them to your hand sanitizer. There's so many ways you can use oils to help fight germs and then help with your immune system, but those are some of the tips. And number 5 is sleeping. I don't know why, but my husband has been on this sleep kick, and so it's kind of like trickled down. I'm really into it too. We got a grounding sheet for our bed. It's really helped, but there's so many things that we can do to help with our sleep. So some of the things that we're doing is the grounding sheet, not drinking. We haven't drank alcohol. I've had a beer here and there when we go out to a restaurant, but we stopped drinking in in July, I believe, of last year, and so that has helped a ton. Drinking tart cherry juice, did I already say that? I got distracted. The girls love that. I make a little special drink, like a spritzer with some sparkling water and tart cherry juice. They love it, and they've been sleeping really well, and I really think that that's helping. It helps with your body's natural system to help with melatonin. So stop using melatonin and try that instead. Diffusing, obviously, calming essential oil blends. We diffuse in the girls' room, just like 1 drop of lavender or a calm blend. And in our bed as well. Set the tone though. Start your diffuser 10-15 minutes before bedtime so that when you go in to do your reading and all of that, it's already a relaxing atmosphere. Something else I've been doing is drinking tea every night before bed. I have a bunch of different ones, but just like a calming chamomile or a bedtime sleepy tea. And then also something that I haven't done, but this would be great, is writing down old school paper and pencil or whatever, physical writing, not using my iPad, which I really like to journal in, but for this specifically, no screens, but just writing down your thoughts for the day or just any thoughts you have in your head that you just want to get out. I feel like my husband is a nighttime thinker and I'm a nighttime thinker and he's the morning thinker. So I might start doing that, and then he needs to do that in the morning. So just all of the thoughts that are racing through your head, just write them down, get them out, and then you can help to clear your mind so you can sleep better. But I could talk about sleep forever. There are a million things that we can do. Obviously, screens are a big one. Not eating or drinking hour-ish, before bed has really helped. And using essential oils to help wind down are really helpful too. Another big thing, because I could go on, I'm going to stop myself after this one, but I promise. But magnesium, that helps so much. So when we do make our tart cherry juice, I will add a little bit of our magnesium powder. I use the Ned brand. It's a great one. It has different magnesiums in it. It's not just one. So it's beneficial in multiple ways. So anyways, I hope that I got all of my thoughts out clearly. I felt like I was ADD on this one, but if you take anything away, what I'm trying to do, and I hope inspires you to do, is to not be lazy in the winter. And also with that, rest. That's why sleep was on here. Take time to rest, but during your active and during the day, don't be lazy. And so that is it. Those are my tips. All of the essential oil brands we use will be linked down below, as well as my Etsy shop. So make sure you check those out. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end. Let me know what your wellness routine is looking like these days, and I hope you have a great day.